friends, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be talking about colors, and we're going to be putting these balls in all these different cups and looking at things that are in that same color. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Let's go! So let's go ahead and start with the color red. Let's put this ball in here, and where does it go? Here's the color red. Let's put it in. And what do we have? We have a red strawberry. This is a red strawberry. Great, let's go to the next color. Now we have the color pink. Pink. Let's go ahead and put it in this pink cup. Great. What do we have here? This is a pink bunny. A pink bunny. Now we can go to the color orange. Here's the color orange. Let's put it in here and put it in the orange cup. Perfect. What do we have? We have an orange carrot. An orange carrot. Good job. Now let's go to the next color. Let's put the yellow ball in the spoon and put it right here. Perfect. What do we have? We have a yellow lion. Yellow lion with an orange mane. Good job. Now let's go to the color green. Green. This is the color green. Let's put it in the green cup. We have something that's green here. This is a green frog. It's a green frog. Good job. Now let's go to the light blue color. This is a light blue color. Let's put it in the spoon. And let's go ahead and put it in the cup. Good job. What do we have? We have a light blue train. A train. Let's go to the next color. It's a dark blue. Here's a dark blue. And let's put it in the cup. And what do we have in that color? We have a dark blue police car. A dark blue police car. Now let's go to the color purple. Let's put it in here. Let's put it in our spoon and put it in the cup. And what do we have that's purple? It's the number 9. This is a number 9. You're doing great. Let's go for the next ball. This is the color brown. Let's put it in the spoon. Let's put it in the cup. Good job. And what do we have? We have a brown donut. A brown donut. Now let's go to the next color. It's a dark gray. Dark gray. Let's put it in the spoon. Let's put it in the spoon and put it in the cup. Good job. And what do we have? We have a panda. A panda. Look at its dark gray paws. It's so cute. We're almost done. Now let's go to the next color. It's a light gray. Light gray. Let's put it in the light gray cup. What do we have that's light gray? It's a lightning bolt. This is a lightning bolt. Usually we see lightning when it's thunder outside and it's a storm. Let's put it back. Now we have our last color, white. Let's put it in the cup. Good job. What do we have? We have a white baseball. A white baseball. Wonderful. Thank you so much for helping me put all the colors back in their cups. I hope you had fun learning about the colors with me. See you next time. Bye.